1 hours pa to.
Oh?
1 hour and 20
Mamaya
minutes.
nasa swimming.
Di buburahin ko rin to. Magsalita ka. Ito po ang ganun-ganun.
One way ticket lang po, papuntang
Ito po ang una namin pamamalengke. Nakita niyo po ang daan masyadong masukal. May mga bata pa naglalaro. Hi ka, hi.
Hi. Paulan na po mga kapatid.
Wala po kaming
Mga
payong.
engineers.
Wala kaming payong at dala namin lahat ng gadget.
Paul Jean, anong masasabi mo? Ayan, si Paul, may masasabi.
Hoy Paul, interview to. Ang masasabi mo sa una natin pamamalengke?
This is, I can explain it because this is my first time here in Puerto Galera and we're just making fun of here. And
How did you find this place?
I don't know. I woke up and I'm here. I just woke up.
Do you know how I find it?
How did you find it?
I ride on a boat and then I found it.
You found it!
Yeah!